正是啊，啥？今天不是说了？我刚刚不是试过了吗？声音怎么样？今天给我们上完回来了。是不会吗？不会。那以后不能实现。下一个谁来猜他？是连续的。昨天有的地方看这个，你都不再贴了。这么小孩儿，也不大意，这么小，你还换件衣服啊？我带了。赶紧。昨天都说了要换衣服了。这个你带去的这一场我已经放弃了。哎呦，我那今天是工作。你是不是也想读啊？我以后再说。可以让他来开场白。小王要开场白吗？我不用。王姐，我说。现在不用开场白啦，我直接起来吧。你自己开场白。你得干啥？开始。这俩我已经开始，这俩反正没有什么限制。静下。15、14、13、12、11、10、9、8、7、6。下面的产品都不对的。Hello everyone, welcome to bobomachine broadcast studio to show you how to say we're talking about our main machines. I am Bonnie. I have been working in bobomachine more than 8 years. So we are talking more about our machines in today's TV show. Here now the first machine is about spring machine. What is spring machine? Actually, it is hard to call it making spring only, but also all kinds of wire bending. If the wire diameter is suitable for any wire shape, is okay. About including copper wire, stainless steel wire, carbon steel wire, iron wire, and so on. So I'm introducing more about these machines. Let's go together. Now here's the first. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I am Bonnie from bobomachine. Welcome to our broadcast TV show. And today I'm interested you more about spring machine. What is spring machine? Actually, it is hard to call it making spring only, but also uh, making all kinds of wire bending like copper wire and stainless wire and iron wire, also carbon steel wire. If the diameter is suitable, the machine can bend any shape if possible. Now let's go to see some video and pictures for introducing. Here the first cameless spring machine to see this working process. Now let's see again. Okay. The machine has 12 axes. What means 12 axes? Means 12 servo motor. To look at this video, you can see 8 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms. Every arm is controlled by separated servo motor, and each one the ninth one is Y feeding. The tenth one is Y cutting. Y cutting, and the 11th is Y rotary. Here the Y can rotary every angle, so you can control the wire any shape for the position. Okay, the last one is the what servo spinner. What is servo spinner? You can see. Okay. This one, like a robot, is a servo spinner. It can bend any shape and angle, like a worker and like a hand to make the wire bending. Okay, let's see the video again together. And this machine is up to 4.5 millimeter. And if you have smaller wire diameter, we have smaller machine. If you have bigger diameter, we have bigger machine. Uh, okay, here next. Okay, there are some pictures of our machine. To see this one, maybe you can see it is about more than 2 meters height and more than 3,000 kilometers, and it is so heavy, and the wide diameter up to 8 millimeter, and this is the biggest, the largest, the most huge in our plant. And this one, only here, this one is the canvas for small diameter, maybe 2.5 millimeter, and it cannot do bigger one. Okay, let's see more together. Also, we have more wide comparison machine. To here. These are all 6 axis. 6 axis. This machine can manufacture the spring wide diameter up to 4.5, 4.5, and you can see our plant. Now I will introduce our plant. We have a lot of machines in our stock because we are manufacturing a lot of samples and other spring products for our customers. So the oldest machine on our plant is more than 10 years in manufacturing. So you can come to our factory anytime if you want. You can see the machine in working. Okay, next video again. Now this machine is making thousand three. Okay. This machine is CNC wire bending. What means CNC wire bending? And it has 3 axes. That means it has 3 motor only. The first one is controlling wire feeding. The second one is controlling wire cutting, and the third one is controlling the oil cam. Oil cam. Oil cam can control the arms up and down. The arms we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms controlled by cam, and if you have experienced engineer can put the correct position about the cam, then the machine will run smoothly. Okay, let's see the machine working again. You see? Now what is this shock? This shock device is probe. What means probe? Maybe when the machine is running so fast, it will the wire maybe will out of control sometimes. When every product output to the machine, the probe, the shock device will touch the shape, touch the angle for everyone. And if one step the probe cannot touch the spring and it cannot or cannot touch the correct angle. That means the product is not on standard. So the machine will stop and the alarm the machine will alarm and let her work listening this alarm and start machine and see what happened. That is the probe, how to use the probe. Someone asked, can I use this machine to make a tower spring? Of course, a tower spring is the normal spring for a spring machine, and compressing only can make that. It is so easy. And if you have some drawing, send to me and send to our email and send to our train manager, or we will get back to you as soon as possible. Better send me drawing. Or you can let me know wire diameter and pictures. I must send me for checking. Then I will recommend a suitable model for confirmation. Okay. Okay, to see the machine working. Okay. 3 axis. 3 axis. Okay. Here's the universal CNC wire bending machine. The next. Another video. This is a normal ball pen spring for made by our smallest machine, and the capacity is so large. You can see. Have a look. Okay, it is 2 axis, and the machine is not expensive, but the capacity is so big. Okay, you can see the capacity more than 400, more than 400 pieces per minute, every minute. So you can get more than 400 pieces in 1 minute. Okay. We will provide the color for every machine for free, and 6 axis of 6 sets of tools. Okay, we will provide six sets of tours for free, and standard decoder for free. What that mean? The tours. For example, if the machine up to 2 millimeter, then if you have 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter is also no problem for the machine. But it maybe, yeah, if you want to change the wide diameter, maybe you have to change the tools such as wide guide and core and others. So the tools is used for different wide diameter. Okay. Okay, this is all the details of our main machine, main screen machine. I will introduce you again. The first one, cameless machine. Cameless machine. That means every arm is controlled by separate servo motor and eight arms and Y feeding and Y cutting and servo spinner and Y rotary. The second one, the most important thing for Y for cameless machine is it is easy. It is easy for adjusting, and maybe engineer, maybe customer does not need so much experience of the shape forming. So this machine is a little expensive, more expensive than the cam one. Also, the cam machine, I have actually you can bend any shape if the wide diameter is suitable. We all the machine we provide six sets of tools and the collar. The third one is Y compression and Y that means Y weaving machine. Y weaving is for the cooling oil, every like some ball pen or others Y calling some artist some Y artist making. It's no problem for our machines. And the other thing is about September promotion. September promotion in our Alibaba. The first promotion is the discount. Discount. You can follow us and get 200 discount. If you want to buy the machine this year, you better purchase the order in September because we besides the 200 discount, we will also provide up to 1,000 US dollar, 1,000 US dollar as a discount for September promotion only. So if you want to buy spring machine, also like 3D or 2D wide bending or recalling spring compression or CNC wide bending or cameless machine, we can provide this promotion for you. The second promotion is free shipping. Now last month or last year, we provided we send a quotation based on FOB price. Now the price is still the same, or can share the discount up to 1,200 discount, and besides this promotion, you can also get the free shipping. So the shipping cost will be paid by us, so you can get the machine directly near your port, your seaport. Okay, the third one. The third promotion is the TV broadcast online. So if you if you have any problems about the machines, you can ask me every time if we are on broadcast like now. If you are watch my online show, you can ask any questions if you want to know. Then the fourth is about the inspection. Now maybe it is difficult for us for an engineer overseas, or it is hard to come to China for inspection or training come to China, and so now internet online is so convenient. So we can send you technical support online, and for the inspection, you can try to place order on Alibaba, and we will pay the inspection some cost. Ask the inspection by Alibaba. When you place the order in Alibaba, I say it again. When you place the order on Alibaba, please click the inspection button, and the employee in Alibaba will help you do the inspection. They will come to our plant to inspect your machine, such as the surface and the outlook and other like some output or samples. So you better do this step. So we will save your money and save your time. Okay, I see it again. 4 promotions. The first 1,000 up to 1,000 US dollar if do the purchase order in September. Okay, someone asked, can I have a look at your screen? Yes, we can send your samples if possible. Also, you can share your drawings. Then I will make one for you. Okay, go on. The first one is for 1,000 US dollar as discount. The second one is free shipping. We provide a CRF price during September. And the third one is free September TV show online. The fourth one is the free inspection. Free inspection will done on Alibaba. So if you want to purchase machines on this year, please try to purchase the order in September. Okay, here's my show, my introducing for the spray machine. Next, my colleague will introduce you more about other machines. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.
Hello guys, this is Savion from Bobo Machine. Bobo Machine, as you know, you as professional HVAC manufacturing machines supplier. Normally we work for 2 parts. For one part is heat exchanger, and another part is duct and ventilation. For the duct, you know, it's about air duct, round air duct or square air duct. We got to the duct for the ventilation. Surely you also need the fans. Today we're gonna show you some machines about fan flange machine. I mean the machine is work for the axial flow fan manufacturing. Okay, let's go. Okay, for now you can see one machine. This machine is our vertical, kind of vertical type fan flange machine, and from this chart, you can see our main machines. BOHC 1250, BOHC 1300, BOHP 1300, BOHP 1600. Okay, we got different types for your different requirements. Especially for the different diameters, the different thickness and flange width. Okay, now we from here you can see BOHC service is only work for flange only. Okay, but the difference is diameter is from 300 to 1250, and another machine is 300 also. But the maximum diameter is 1300 millimeter. But you can see the different thickness range. UHC, this one valid thickness is 1.5 to 5 millimeter, but uh, this one valid range is 1.5 to 3 millimeter. Okay, and the flange width both two kinds of the 50 millimeter. Actually, they are totally different machines because one type is horizontal, another type is vertical. Okay, let's go check some videos. You can easily find such difference. This is a model BOHC 1250. This is a manual machine, manual hydraulic machine, and here is hydraulic drive. Hydraulic drive is work for forming roller. You can consider it as a mold or die. Okay, change a roller for the different bending radius. For example, you want 90-degree. Okay, and also in the bare mouse, the radius no more or less than 40, 40 millimeter. Manual load and manual unload. Okay. Here, the left side is a controller for the length limit. The maximum length is 1,250 millimeter for the fan length. Okay. Okay. This is a 90-degree flange. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's sorry. Oh, sorry. It's another type. sorry, it's another type of machine, BOHC BOHP 1300, and different with previous machine. You can see that this machine is automatic, for automatic, and for one part is for automatic for flanging, another part is for automatic horse punching. Please check the video. This is round gripping. To make to suppose it is supposed to make the range the edge be smooth, and will not hurt the human body or hands. Easy to lift. Okay, horse punching here. Here is a kind of needle and driven by hydraulic station and horse punching. And this diameter horse diameter is controlled by the different diameters of needles. Okay, just change another one for different diameter. And you can also set a different horse from the touch screen, and everything all in one in touch screen. You just yes here, and this is model, a kind of fixed model mode. For example, you want the 300 millimeter. Okay, so you need a 300 millimeter mode. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is what we works for the axial flow fan, and this size is 1,400 millimeter, and the thickness is 6 millimeter. Its length is 1,000 millimeter. Actually, quite a big size. Okay, you can check here. This is 1,600 millimeter diameter, and the thickness is 8 millimeter, and the length is 1,200. Quite a big size. Need a crane to lift. Okay, this is small size for just 600 millimeter, and even more smaller. And this big size, 1,200 millimeter, different size. Actually, you can choose for the manual machine. You can work for different diameters or in one machine, and no need. It saves a lot of cost, but no, a little slow. But you need a punch horse by manual, or purchase another machine to punch horse, not for automatically, but no, the advantage and the disadvantage, both good. Okay, and then you may see that we also got the BOHC 1300. This is a kind of updated machine. It's more for a small workpiece. For a big piece, also less than 1 minute. 1 minute, very fast for me speed. Okay, now uh, this one is enhanced machine with very fast speed. It is uh, our horizontal standard manual hydraulic machine. Okay, now we refer to BOHP service, and there also have two models: BOHP 1300, BOHP 1600. Okay, uh, different with another two machines. These two machines, those two machines, for automatic, and you can consider it as a light machine. Another is heavy duty. Okay, uh, you can find the difference between the diameters, thickness, and the length. For example, a BOHP. Okay, uh, this one, the thickness is from 1 to 3 millimeter, and the diameter is from 200 to 1,300 millimeter. But the heavy duty machine starts from 400 millimeter and until one 1,600 millimeter. And the thickness also got different range. You can see that from 2 millimeter to 6 millimeter. And the flange this is a maximum flange width. Of course, you can also look for 20, 30, 40, 50, but 60 millimeter is maximum. Okay, both of two machines are vertical type. Okay, let's check some videos. This is a heavy duty one. Okay, for automatic flange spinning formed by this kind of roller, but it is uh, hydraulic drive, dynamic, dynamic. Actually, for this machine, the key is a kind of dynamic balance. The fan is spinning and motor is spinning and the roller is spinning. So you should keep everything in one dynamic balance. That's the point for spongy. For spongy. This is a heavy duty machine for big fans. The diameter roughly 1,300 millimeter. The flange width 60 millimeter. Okay. This is a light machine for smaller size, smaller thickness. This is a kind of cold spinning technology, cold foam. Make this duct from 0 to 90 degree in the furnace by spinning. Okay, thank you for watching. Today we show you some machines about the fan flensing machine. It's a kind of machine to make axial flow fans. Anyway, thank you for watching, and you please come to our YouTube video or Alibaba site or our website. You can have more details, or you can also have contact us for more details. Okay, thank you. Được có nhiều thẻ tận đây lúc đó lên cũng không ngờ máy máy là thẻ.
Hello, this is Emily, and today we will talk about the PV foam spring machine. Yeah. First one, it is a model of BDFV, and this one, just like the picture in the PPT, it is the hydraulic polyurethane PV foam spring machine. It is widely used for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, the tank body, and pipeline protection, the waterproof, and so on. This machine has accurate mirroring, even mixing, and portable and high performance advantages. It is especially used for the site work. And this the BDFV, the hydraulic puriform spring machine, adopts the self-cleaning system. The solvent tank installed on material A side with continuous cleaning or mirroring pump seal to avoid isonic bearing. The machine part life can be lessened with less abrasion, and it is also easy for maintenance. And the machine is adopts the hydraulic drive system. The hydraulic drive system equipped with imported motor, the pump as key parts. The additional radiator system is equipped to avoid the performance faults because of the high oil temperature. And we will offer the heating hose 45 meters for free. And it's very easy to operate, just to hold the heating hose and spray the material or the directions. Yeah. Then you could see the pictures. The workers is free on the water roof, on the swimming pool for the waterproof. And these two tanks is the material A and material B. Also, it could see white material and black material into the customer's requirement for various output and mixing ratio. Okay, the next machine. That is the most popular mode BDF2 in our factory. It is a pneumatic high-pressure puriform spring machine. It is also designed for the site work, with accuracy mirroring the even mixing, movable and portable structure. It is with the balance of cost and performance. This model puriform spring machine is widely used for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, the box, the pipe, and so on. Yes, for the isolation purpose. This machine adopts the pneumatic motor, and it is the latest direction change for double direction work. Has more stable performance compared to the electrical one. It is also suitable for the complicated site work condition. Also, it adopts the high precision promotion pump. Yeah, the promotion pump is made from the stainless steel. Yes, the stainless steel I think is very durable. So it could be reduced the abrasion, and also this machine adopts the heating system. Yes, so maybe some our friends will be puzzled that when I'm in winter, how does the machine work? So don't worry about it. The machine adopts the luminous heater, and it is suitable for the low temperature work in winter. The temperature control system with number display, so you could operate and set it. It is with mirroring and overload protection system to control the temperature exactly. Also, this puriform spring machine, we will offer the heating hose 45 meters for free. The two hose is heated separately with latest wrapped inside heating technology. It is much more better than the traditional one to ensure the material, and has the best temperature and best temperature before the mixing and the spraying, and it is also very easy to operate, just to hold the spring gun. Yeah, it's very easy. Okay, now the next model. This one is our pneumatic polareal puriform spring machine. The model is BDFX. It is also can be applied under various construction situations. This equipment can be applied in the fields of architecture, the highway, the railway, the automobile, the watercraft, the mining, petroleum, the electrical industry, food industry, and so on. The integration of the human engineering and the structure design makes this equipment compact in structure, so it has many advantages like small in volume, light in weight, and it's very convenient and flexible in operation. It is also can be easily handled by one person and suitable for the operation under complicated environment. So you could see that it's very easy to operate and can be used in various construction situations. Also, the hose are safe and durable with four closed waterproof connection with the external cover of the heating isolation layer and anti-abrasion layer. Okay, next, and you could see the pictures of our machine from different direction, and we will be packaged in wooden case before shipping. Next this one. Okay, now let's look at some videos about our machine. First, the PU foam spray machine for the Polaroid. You could see that the workers, yet or the operators in the waterproof. The workers hold the spring gun, maybe, and the heating hose maybe much so longer. So there will be another worker helping. So you could see that it's very easy to operate. Yeah. And we will offer the 45 meters heating hose for free. So if you have any other requirements, maybe some for the longer heating hose, it's also okay. Yeah. And you could see it can be applied under various construction situations. Now the next one, that is the Polaroid spring machine, the hydraulic one, or the pneumatic one. It is also very easy to operate. The operator just spring the Polaroid on the waterproof, maybe for the waterproof. Yeah. And so it's very easy. It is with the accuracy measuring, the mixing, and the portable. You can see it is movable and portable. It is easy to operate. So it's very suitable for the complicated site work condition. And this video is from our customers. Yeah, that is our high pressure polarization spring PV foam spring machine. The holders, the operator hold the heating hose and the spring gun. And I think that this kind of work speed is very fast. So today we talk about three kinds of machine. The first one is this, the BDFV, the hydraulic pressure polar spring machine, and this one is pneumatic pressure polarism puriform spring machine, and this one is pneumatic pressure polarism polaria puriform spring machine. And for our machine, we will also offer a 1 year's warranty period and maybe for the after sales service. And for the shipping way, we could say send our machine by sea, by air, by railway, and it is depends on your choice. So you could tell us where and which is your port, so we could check for you accordingly. And maybe also for some small parts, for the spare parts, maybe you need another spring gun or need another heating hose. So we could also through the DHL, the TNT International Express. I think it's very fast. After selling the machine to you, we will offer the training videos to teach our customers how to operate and how to maintain the machine. Yeah, we will offer the free video training and maintenance. You could contact by Skype, by WhatsApp, by Wechat, or telephone, and we are 24 hours online. Yeah. And if you want to come to our China, so we will have 2 days free training in our factory, and our engineers also could go abroad for training. But okay, today I talk about the PV foam spring machine, including the BDFV hydraulic polaria PV foam spring machine. It is widely used for the wall, roof, refrigerator, tank body, pipe protection, waterproof, and so on. The pneumatic polarism pure foam spring machine. It is widely used for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, for the box, pipe, and insulation purpose. And next one, this one is BDFV. The BDFX, this one is pneumatic polyreal puriform spring machine. It also can be applied under various construction situations. Yes, I think that all of these machines are widely used in our daily life. So if you are interested in our machines, don't hesitate to contact us by email or leave your message in the website. Yeah, our salesman or our engineer will check and reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, now let's look at the videos again.
And these operators are maybe on the waterproof, yeah, to spring the polarism, the surface on the waterproof or on the roof. Maybe for the isolation purpose or waterproof, maybe. Okay, today I talked so much about the PFOAM spray machine. Next, welcome to my workmate Adaro to introduce the PFOAM injection machine. Hello. So let's talk about high PFOAM injection machine. The high PFOAM injection machine would publish in the market, which have feature for economy and convenience operation. The machine can be customer according to customer requirement for very output and mixing routine. Okay, this high pressure pure-form injection machine, and the raw materials is the polymer isolated the machine. Yes, the machine is a high pure high high pressure machine. Okay. Let's watching about the machine work videos. The machine making pure safe. Mixing and injection. Mixing and injection pure safe one by one. The raw materials is A and B is polymer is netted. It's netted. If you need, we can provide the raw materials. So it's our factory. It's our factory. So different model of high pressure and low pressure. The pure set, the machine can making pure set. A publisher case of, for example, pure chat, pure set, pure cotton, pure toys, pure bamboo, pure hand form, pure car cotton. pure wood sandwich, piano. So let's watch in our factory. We have a different model of high pressure and low pressure. After the raw materials of flow out of materials tank is a materials tank A and B, polymer and isonite. Mixing then float by metering bamboo and mixing the mixing hand of the machine by high speed of the motor and then pouring into a mold for cutting. The time vary according to product size and production pieces. You're about 3 to 5 minutes. So, so it's A and B from float PLC, then mixing hand injection the mold. So like watching our customer use PU form injection machine. The mixing hand PLC operation. So the machine including electronic system, hybrid system, high exchanger system. Sorry. Hydraulic system, high pressure and low pressure switching system, mistering system, storing system. We have different model, high pressure and low pressure. So that A and B raw materials are transported to the mixing hand through the metering pump and mixing at high speed by the storyboard. After injection, there will be in the mixing pump, so it must be clean with a clean machine. The mixing of the mixing the high pressure machine is like the A and B materials are transported to the mixing hand through the high pressure metering pump and mixed by high speed. After use, it have a sheer clean flow sheet without raw materials loss. Yes. How much? Okay, if you need, please tell me my email freely. So the machine is a low pressure pure former injection machine. So if you need, we have different high pressure and low pressure. The PU pillow is used for high pressure and low pressure. It's okay. 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 Let's watching our machine high pressure. The high pressure is including咋回事儿？Including an electronical system, hybrid system, 那个 hydraulic system 啊high and low pressure switching system, mistering system, and floater system and storage system. So it's an important speed. They are customer in factory use our low pressure machine. So if you need the model, we can custom for your requirement. New bring and close the mold. This our fate. And this our factory. This high pressure pure form injection machine. Mixing retail a 1 to 1 or 1 to 3 mixing injecting the mold. So the high pressure pure form injection machine are published case. For example, pure pillow, pure seat cushion, pure toys, pure bamboo, pure pure sandwich, pure hand form, pure so different, making different pure product. So the high pressure and low pressure flow out of the materials tank. They are float by a float metering the metering bamboo and the mixing and hand of the machine by high speed um, um, of the motor and then pouring into a mold for coating. The metering time vary according to the product size and the production. On your about injection, 3 to 5 minutes. So it's a PLC operation. It's different. It's, it, it's a high pressure. It's high pressure flow chart A and B from float from electronic PLC. Then mixing hand. Okay, thank you. About is a CRO high pressure pure former injection machine. Okay, goodbye.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris. So now I'm gonna introduce my machine, hydraulic paper plate making machine. So first, let's see our machine picture, and that's our machine. And I'm gonna introduce the forming. In here, it's raw material place, and here it's forming place, and here is placement. Okay. Next, we will see a video. So let's see a video. Okay. Let me explain first. Our machine is a high-speed and intelligent paper plate machine. It uses desktop layout, and the machine adopts mechanical transmission, hydraulic forming, and maintains for electric part, PLC, photoelectricity, tracking, auto intelligence, and safe fabrication can directly support the production line. And we also have packaging machine, die cutting machine, and printing machine. They all have to do with paper plate, but they are not the focus of today. So we want our so now I'm gonna show you a production line. Production line is paper plate machine and packaging machine. They made a production line. You can see through the video. In this video, we have several paper plate making machine, and you can see the final here. Final here is a packaging machine. Okay, packaging machine. Through heat forming. And I'm gonna show you products by our machine. You can see paper plate. We have round and square and other shapes, and we so many colorful plates and a silver plate and different size. You can see that's all. In the market, usually we can see this kind of product and this kind of, but it's white, not this color. So our machine has some advantage, like in the independent research and development, the latest products using the fast oil pressure system. Each station is 15 to 20 minutes faster than ordinary machine. Second is sandpaper using magnetic work, stable performance compared to the ordinary type of paper drop technology. The waste rate is greatly reduced. It also can automatically produce all kinds of non-standard products, finished product rate of 100%, solve the problem of ordinary machines cannot complete. And last is hydraulic oil recycling, reduce emission, pollution, low noise. And this machine, we can produce paper plate size is 4 to 15 inches. Raw material, we can use base paper, whiteboard paper, white card paper, or others. And as you can see, this machine we have double stations, and each station can produce 40 to 70 pieces in 1 minute, and two double station is 80 to 140 pieces in 1 minute, and according to different plate size and grams, the produce speed is different. And okay, you can see that's our PLC controls, and we can use English, Chinese, and Hispano. We can see that's temperature and others. And here we can choose how many plates you want to produce. Like you want to 100, and you can enter this in here. Just type 100, and the machine will start produce until finish 100 will stop. And this is power switch, and this is hydraulic press switch, and this one is hydraulic conductor light. This is power light. And two double stations here. You can put raw materials in here, and the the machine will through here and start the transmission. And this two is modes. In one machine, we can provide two modes for free, and extra modes will be charged. We can customize the modes based on your customer's requirements. Like you want one round mode and one square mode, and we can produce one here is round, one here is square, and you can produce two different type plates. In here it's heat forming. That's two modes here. And this is engine, our machine's engine. And here is a desktop layout. In here. And here is a conveyor belt. You can see all the forming place. Okay, we can see the production line again. In here we turn and push. can see that's our packaging machine. This machine also is automatic. It's cut from here. When the plate through, and in this area, it's heat forming plate. You can see when they come out. Okay. Let's repeat. Let me repeat again. Today my machine is hydraulic paper plate making machine, and that's our machine's picture. The machine is high speed, intelligent paper plate machine. Uses desktop layout. The machine adopts mechanical transmission, hydraulic forming, and pneumatic blowing paper, which has the advantages of stable performance and easy operation and maintenance. For electrical parts, PLC, photoelectricity, tracking, auto intelligence, and fabrication can directly support production line. And our machine can produce plate size is 4 to 15 inches, and raw material can use base paper, whiteboard paper, uh, white cardboard, and others raw material, and it's double stations. Each station it's 40 to 70 pieces in 1 minute. In 1 minute, total total capacity is 80 to 140 minutes pieces in 1 minute, and different size produce speed is different, and our machine has some advantage like independent research and development. The latest products using the fast oil pressure system. Each station is 15 to 20 minutes faster than ordinary machine. And second is sandpaper using mechanical work stable performance compared to the ordinary type of paper drop technology. The waste rate is greatly reduced. Third is can automatically produce all kinds of non-standard products. Finished product rate of 100% solve the problem of ordinary machines cannot complete. The last is hydraulic oil recycling, reduce emission, pollution, low noise. And let's see video last time. And our plates products. Okay, that's all. That's all in today. And let's welcome next person to introduce our other machine.
Hi, hello, my friend. This is Justin Lee. Okay, today we will show some products of our HVAC ventilation ducts and the pipe. And machine for flexible pipe making machine and spiral duct rigged uh, galvanized steel pipes making machines. Okay, now you can see our the first model is for spiral duct machine. It's working for the ventilation and this machine with the best performance in China. So the pipes can be auto cutting and share cutting automatic. It's working. So many customers they like to run the different models from machines, so we can provide other models. This is the best one. Okay, we also have the basic models and the middle models for meet the customers different requirements for the investment. And here you can see the second machine is post tension pipe forming machine. The post tension pipe is on the pipe have to making some carpets and on the pipe wall. So also the machine can be making by the functions for auto cutting and loading and unloading. So it can help customers to save the cost for laborers. And you can see the second machine, the third machine is working for the covered pipe for the manufacturing the pipes with the thickness 3 millimeters, and the diameters can be maximum 6 meters or 3,600 millimeters. The diameters can be can be made by hands, can be made as customers' requirements. So through to changing the mold and the cover gauge shapes. They have different require for the cover gauge, like the height, the waves have the height and width. So it will be different. If the bigger pipes, then maybe the cover gauge width maybe can be up to 78 millimeters. The single ripple, the single ripple. The height can be like a 25, 25 the small one. Also have the 45 or 75 millimeters. Okay, here is the pipes using the usage. Normally the The spiral ducts are using for the air conditioning for dust or air exhausts, and also for collecting the dust or chimney, using for high temperature place. Uh, and outside it can be doing some insulation for different using. Okay, so you can see the fittings also can provide the machines for for making the fittings, the air bolts, the teeth, also making the rim posts and on the pipe outside. And you can see the corrugated pipe is building into the underground. You can see the diameters. It's very big. Normally the pipes, yeah, the diameter is over like 2 meters or 3 meters. You can see the pipes. This is our customers manufacture. They made the pipes ready for shaping. For different cartridges, we can customize for our customers and different require for the strip wise the strip wise thickness and the cartridges. Okay, here we show a video. It is a video for the spiral to former. Okay, this is the detailer through the machine rulers to strengthening and go ahead to the forming head. This is the PLC controller with a touch screen. It needs you to using the cooling system for the emulsion. Okay. Uh, Also the forming head, spiral forming head, and the cutting is the cutting is the shear cutting. The shear cutting is smooth and don't have any burrs. So it is very kindly for the operation and using in factory. In fact, and it can be automatic turn off the table. It can turn off by itself when the pipe is when pipe is running to the length which you setting into the controller, so it will be automatic cut and the customer's setting. So also you want to set in how many lengths, how many pieces. It all can be made, can be setting at the controller, so it is more flexible and more convenience. And also the pie the safety protections for emergency stop, and the roller box with the safety box. If we open the roller box, okay, it will be auto stop, so it can protection for emergency if the people like that get out open the cover, then it may be maybe some dangers for operation, so it will be automatic stop. And also the coiler with the tension controller. So if can the coil not going too fast and not too slow, so it's controlled by a brake. So there is a pneumatic control, pneumatic. And also we could provide with customers with different models like saw cutting and the different widths of the strips. Okay, now we Now we introduce for the flexible ducts. Okay, we have okay. Here we can provide different models, flexible duct machines for manufacturing different pipes. The flexible pipes, like the pipes have pure aluminum pipes and PET aluminum pipes with the wire reinforced, and also the metal clip flexible pipes. They are all using at the ventilation usage, and but different place. Some use at the chimney pipe. They're using at the stove. Uh, Also, the chimney or kitchen hood or dryer vent, and also some air conditioning transfer the cool air for people for home or for commercial shops. They can making it with fresh airs, and the pipes, the like these machines, they all can be as customers' requirements to make them automatic cutting or cutting lengths. Uh, Also, the material we could help customers to make the pipe which they want, because you know the old world they have different standards, also different requirements. So this is our biggest advantage and can help our customers to meet their require. Okay. Okay, here you can see the pipes they are working for different. This is the PVC outside coating, and this one is the insulation. You see insulation pipe. It's using the central air conditioning. Okay, this one is stove. Also the chimney pipe in the wall. Also, this one the air exhaust machine for the air conditioning or for the underground. Also, we have pipes. We have the machines to manufacture the pipe can be exhaust gas for mine place, and also for underground. Okay, here we show a video which is manufacturing the flexible semi-rich aluminum pipe. It is two layers with two layers foil to through the machine, the rulers and the forming head. Go ahead. This box for automatic compress for the compress for reduce the length for packing or transporting, which is more convenience to storage. So the pipes, the different loxy, also the rain posts. I mean the corrugates can be 4 corrugates, 7, 5, or 6. Customers they require different material. They have to using the wise material. Um, have to customize the like last time our Japan customer they are asking for 80 millimeters with 10 corrugates. You can see the pipe is auto loading and auto unloading, loading out. So It can help you save the labor cost, and the people can do a lot of work for when the pipe when the machine automatic running. Also, the length, the cutting length, the compress rate can be customized, and also it can be vacuum 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 compress for save the cost for different the some place they have lower labors. Okay, they can using the semi-automatic model. So it's very flexible for our customers requirements. Okay, and last we I will introduce our refrigeration processing machines. Mostly they are for the pipes, for the fin, the heat exchanger, the fin forming and processing machines. Okay, here in the picture with the picture with the bending machine and the length cutting machine. Okay, the length cutting machine from the coil tube with raw material. The the pipes where they can the machine can be working for different material cutting, uh, steel tube, bondi tube, or copper, aluminum, and temper tube. So the tubes will be strengthening by the rollers and cutting with using the rotary cutting. So it can keep clean cutting. There's no scraps, and the cutting without any reduce the tube diameter. So it is very good for the refrigeration and or heat exchangers to cutting the tube's length. Also, its tolerance it can be using for different configuration machines. We can help use the servo motor and normal motor. Also, the fading lengths can be using that liner, which is driving by the servo motor. So it can improve the more cutting the tolerance. So after cutting the pipes, okay, we need to bend in the pipe with different shapes. Uh, for the refrigeration, the freezers, condenser, or evaporators, they're using serpent bending. This is our the best product for processing the refrigeration pipes. So after bending the pipes with the sempenen or some other like a square or spiral, or make some 3D bendings. We of course we here this one is serpent bending. Okay, we can show more machines to processing the tube end, the bendings, and tube end formings. The tube end formings they have also have machines for like reducing flaring and expanding. Also doing some plugging and the tube end for connecting. Also here in the and the freezer condenser this field, we also have a machine for connecting to welding the copper and aluminum pipe, connecting the welding. So the leakage is very controlled and very low rate. And we supply to our customers in domestic with all their famous manufacturing factories in our domestic. Okay, we are talking the machines. We can provide you the customized service, and also we can provide the feasible solutions for our customers. If you have any questions or inquiries, that's free to contact with us by email or the phone numbers. I'll be fine. Okay. Today now we are in ending time. So if you guys have any questions, just free to contact with us, trade manager or Alibaba or something others. We also have our own webs. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Okay, guys. Bye.